Disaster management study about different disasters. Those disasters occurs in our surrounding. There are different types of that disasters occurs in our surrounding. For example, different types of man-made disasters, different types of biological disasters, and different geophysical disasters. Now these disasters occurs in environment, and by that disasters there are various effect on biodiversity. There are various effect on living organism by that disasters. For example, in case of man-made disasters, in case of biological disasters, for example, various fungal diseases, various bacterial diseases, various viral diseases, spreading of that viral, bacterial and fungal diseases by various agents, and thus these are known as biological disasters. Geophysical disasters, volcano, tsunami, earthquake, these are known as geophysical disasters, and there are various effects of that disasters: man-made, biological and geophysical disasters. Various effect of that disaster, for example, medical effect of that disasters, social effect of that disasters, environmental effect of that disasters, political effect of that disasters, and administration effect of that disasters. These are known as various effect of that disasters when these disasters occurs in a environment. Then how to management of these disasters? Management of that disasters. Some of the disasters we know that very short times, some of the disasters are very long times. For example, in case of famine, in case of earthquake, in case of flood, some of that disasters are known as very short time disasters, and some of the disasters are known as very long time disasters, and thus there are various effect on living thing of that disasters. That's why planning of that disasters for minimum loss of the living organism, minimum loss of various things, to plan various planning for losses of that disasters, pre-planning of that disasters and post-planning of that disasters, that is known as. Now, how this disasters management to less loss of living thing. In case of disaster management, we know that improve the ability to face such type of that disasters. Disaster management improve the ability to face such type of various disasters. It is a scientifically and carefully observation and analysis of that data where the disasters is occurs, prevent, measure, rehabilitations, reconstruction, these are known as various things, and by that things to improve the ability to face such type of disasters, various types of that disasters, that is known as disaster management. How to management disaster, pre-disaster management and post-disaster management. In case of pre-disaster management, to complete the preparation and planning to face such type of disasters. Pre-disaster management, to planning, preparation and planning to face the various types of the disasters. How to pre-planning such type of disasters. Now collecting the various information where the various types of that disasters occurs. Collect the various information. For example, intensity of map, then hazardous of that map. Such type of things are collected from various places, and to minimum losses of pre-disaster, that is known as pre-disaster management. Then getting a various special training to the various people to manage such type of disasters. To getting the various training to all the peoples, to general peoples, how to minimum losses of such type of that disasters, and increases the awareness to the general people, general public. That is one of the pre-planning of pre-disaster management. These are known as some things to avoid the losses of that disaster. These are known as pre-planning of that disaster. Then post-planning of that disasters, after occurring of various types of that disasters, geophysical disasters, biological disasters, and man-made disasters, how the post-planning of that disasters. Now the first thing of post-planning disasters, to provide all things, all necessary things, supply of various things to victim of that disasters. Those things which are necessary to the victim peoples, to supply such type of things to that peoples. This is the first post-disaster management. Then second, participate the all general peoples in that disaster management, and to save all peoples. That is the second thing of post disaster management. Then third, post planning of that disaster management, to establish the various health center to supply the various things to that peoples where the disaster occurs. Supply center, various supply center established at that places where the things which is necessary to all peoples at that places. Then deliver the various material to these people, and continuous review of these people. That is one of the most important things of post disaster management. And last, to be aware, always prepare for disaster rescue. Always prepare all peoples, general people, to disaster rescue. These are known as some things to minimum losses of that disasters. Post disaster management, these are known as, and pre disaster management. These are known as some things, and that is known as disaster management, to improve the face of various disaster, increases the ability to face such type of disasters. That is known as disaster management. Now some aspects of that disaster management. There are different aspects of that disaster management. The first aspects of that disaster management, that is known as preparation. Second, aspects of that disaster management, that is known as redemption. Third aspects of that disaster management, that is known as preparedness. Next aspects of that disaster, that is known as impact of disaster. What are the different impact of that disasters to the various things? Then response of that disaster management, resorption of that disaster management, and restoration of that disaster management. These are known as different aspects of that disaster management. Now start one by one. Now in case of preparation of that disaster management, that is known as plan. A different plan is prepared to minimum losses, destruction, any disasters if occurs at that place. That is known as preparation. That is a pre-disaster management and post-disaster management. That is known as planning of various disasters. Different planning of various disasters. To minimum the destruction in any disasters if occur, that is known as preparation. This is the first aspect of that disaster management. Then second aspect of that disaster management, that is known as redemption. In case of redemption, the plan for minimize the damages to the society and community, that is known as redemptions. It is one of the plan for minimize the damages to the society and country. That is the second aspect of that disaster management. That is known as redemptions. Then third aspect of that disaster management, that is known as preparedness. Preparedness of various disaster management. Various disasters. Preparedness. Now in case of preparedness, we know that the plan is taken out so as to get the quick response from the general public and administration. Preparedness, quick response for general public and administration. To plan very quick response to the general public and administration of that disaster, that is known as preparation. It is one of the most important aspect of that disaster management. Then next aspects of that disaster management, that is known as impact of disaster. What are the different impact of that disasters? Biological disasters, man-made disasters, and geophysical disasters. What are the impact of that disasters? Long time disasters, short time disasters. What are the impact of that disasters? Now the intensity of various aspects of disasters and disaster management reviewed. That is a impact of that disasters. It is one of the aspects. Then next aspects of that disaster, that is known as response. How to respond to that such type of disasters? Response of various general public, response of society, response of administration to such type of various disasters. That is known as response. Now in case of response is a disasters to be the given intermediate after the incidents. The factor is followed to the disaster streak in this cycle. How to respond of such type of various disasters? Man-made disasters, biological disasters, and geophysical disasters. How to respond of general peoples and various administration, politicals. That is one of the most important aspects. Then next important aspect, that is known as resurgence. In case of resurgence, it is an important link between emergency measure and national progress. It is a link between emergency measure and national progress. Resurgence, and it is a stage to use for the welfare and rehabilitation of the nation. It is also one of the most important aspects. Rehabilitation and welfare of the nation. Link between emergency measure and national programs to welfare and rehabilitations of the nation. That is also important aspects. And last important aspects of that disaster management, that is known as restorations. Restoration. In case of restoration, we know that it is an important link between measure after disaster and national development. It is a link between measures after disasters and national development. It is useful for progress of nation and rehabilitation, same as that of regions. Restoration. It is a useful program of nation and rehabilitation. That is one of the most important aspects. These are known as 7 aspects of disaster management. Thank you.